Hi guys, we are Atibarik Chaudhuri and welcome to another gameplay video. Today we are going to escape Granny chapter 2 through the helicopter, and make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and I hope you guys will enjoy. So guys, we are starting. Guys, we are up here and we got the stun gun. Now we will kill Granny and search for the things we need. Guys, we have killed Granny. We have taken the ammo. Why isn't it taking? And we have to do fast so much today. We don't want to waste any time. As fast as we can, we have to do. Drop. Not take time. What's this? Glass fuse. Drop here. We have got so many things at the first, but still a lot of things left. Padlock, yeah, it's not for any work. Please, I hope I get crowbar. Yes, guys, crowbar. I can't believe that I get crowbar. It's totally amazing. I will not waste any time. Granny is gone for 2 minutes, and I will use the full time to get the things. I will not any waste. Piece of picture, another one. I will not waste time. I will open that box. I think I know what I will get. Cutting pliers, yes. Not for work. I need work. I need it. Let's keep that there and bring the piece of picture. Piece of picture. Here. Stun gun. Pick up. Meat. Please, duct tape. No. Nothing. I think wrench here. Yes, I think. Yes, wrench. Hey, last time we were very sad for the wrench. Helicopter manual. I also need this. Let's go inside and kill Granny one more time. If in the first time we can get so many things, why we would not get in the next time? Guys, we have killed Granny. I think stun gun is not now needed. We will keep it here. As same is as well, he's trying to waste our time. And I need the last piece of picture. Where can I get? It's wrench. Yes, wrench place. There is a piece of picture, but please not there. Oof, I happy. Please, is there any piece of picture? No. I'm not wasting. There is no. I think the last one is in the bathroom. Which one is the bathroom? This one, I think. Yes. I always forget. Clock. Nothing. Helicopter. Hey, yes. Thank God. Helicopter key also found. Security key. Without that, we can escape also. See? Security key is more important than helicopter. But we need to remember that we got the keep the helicopter key here. That's the problem we always have. We have to go fast. As fast as we can. Open that. Drop it here. I think there will be no work. Full thing. Yes. I will not waste time. Take the piece of picture. And I fit it there. Fit it. Then I have to go to the bathroom to take the second piece of picture.
the middle side.
I think today our escape will be done very quickly. Look. Oh no, I need the shotgun. Shotgun. This also takes so many time. Why am I wasting time? Granny will wake up. Just close it and get to our safe place.
And make sound again.
So that Granny comes and I am pausing the video. Guys, we have killed Granny. Our work is done. Here, drop it here. Stun gun. We forgot to check the bathroom. We opened it, but forgot it to check it. Let's go fast. Shortcut. Yes, shortcut is more better. No, I didn't open that. Boat key I don't need. Go fast. Yes, guys. Our but the weapon key I will get from the up. Now I need what I need now. Gasoline,
Duct tape.
glass fuse, just this, and also shotgun. Shotgun is very annoying.
No, I got the glass fuse. It's in the.
Oh yes, I got the gas fuse. Oh, again the shotgun. Let's see if I get this shotgun or not. Is Granny waking up?
I think of no.
Where is that room? Will I take risk or I will go? No, don't take risk. I know it's just a few minutes ago, but not a few minutes, it's a few, means 30-40 seconds ago. I am pausing the video, I don't want to waste your time. Guys, we have killed Granny again. Now I will take the stun gun. I want to test something. That will stun gun work for shotgun? Let's try once.
I think it's not going to.
Because I think stun gun will be lost. I will not take risk. But though. Okay, I'm taking risk. What, guys? It will come back. Guys, so it's a good part that we can. My screen is not working. Guys, I'm missing it. I have hit the first one. Guys, it is taking so long. Guys, I am missing every time. So guys, I am pausing and then I will show you again. Guys, done. Look. And the gate is open. Let's take the glass fuse first. Without gas fuse, we will fall down. And Granny will catch us. Take the glass fuse and get up. Guys, we have got the weapon key, but it's not for work now. Let's make sound so that Granny comes. We have made sound. Granny will surely come. We have made so much sound. This is the enough sound to bring Granny. Guys, Granny is not coming. Guys, this is so crazy. I have made sound from here also. It's cheating. He's not coming. Finally, guys. After wasting our so much time, finally came. And let's go, guys. Our escape is almost done. We must take the things we have taken up. We need to take the things up. And take this one also up. No problem. Now we have to go down and now. Oh shit, bro! Why do I do this? Again, I have to go down. That one was more easy. If I get safe key, it was more easier. I think get safe key. Look, I forgotten the duct tape. But still, one more thing left. Gasoline. I think I will get it down from the crowbar box. Or in the room of baby spider. Yes, this one is also more easier to find. Wrench I have already got, no problem. What I will take is now the duct tape. Guys, we haven't killed yet now, one time also. Why I am going up, going down? I think stun gun is here, yes. Okay, enough things. Oh, let's go and fix the helicopter. It was more better if I get the gasoline can in the room of that ghost, but I think I will not get. But let's take it that once time. I'm sure 100%, 110% sure that there will be no one. Means there will be not. I think there should be the safe key. With the safe key, I can open safe. In the safe, we can get the gasoline. Yes. Let's open it. Please, we need the gasoline. Or the safe key. I think I am getting the wrong thing. Guys, we have got boat steering. It's not for work. Now the gasoline. Now we have to kill Granny again and go to the room of spider and or open the box with crowbar. These two places is left now. If we get safe key, it would be also work. Guys, we have found this, means we have killed Granny. Let's go up and drop the stun gun here and do the crowbar work. What is here? I think yes. I will not waste time. I will take shortcut. Now go fast down. I don't think I have to go to baby spider. If I found the box down, I think here should be the safe key. Sure. Spark plug. It just waste our time. Now again take the wrench and go to baby spider. Oh, time look wasting. Go fast.
And need to go to the security room to take the stun gun also.
Yes. I think Granny woke up at this time.
There is nothing.
I am sure that gasoline can is there, but I don't want to die also one time. So I don't want to do late. Zero deaths till now.
I think it will be easier if I kill Granny first.
Yes. This time I will not use security room because I don't want to lose stun gun. Means not stun gun. I don't to lose helicopter key. If I throw the helicopter key down, Granny will come. If I die, if Granny not come, then I have to go down and I will kill. Let's wait till Granny works. Guys, Granny has killed again. Been killed by. Where is Granny? What happened to him?
He is flying.
By seeing us. He's looking like he has sawn a cockroach. Now we will. If I get escape key there, my head will go wrong. I will just throw my mobile. Hey you! Where are you going, you noob? Come here. Can I open that box? Oh, what happened, little kid? Don't do this. Oh, I always get scared by seeing it. Yes, very good. Well done. I have to go down and bring the stun gun from there, and I have got safety here. That means if I don't get in safe, I will just throw my mobile. I don't think you guys will see this video. Guys, escape done. What a luck, guys. We have got this gasoline can and run fast now. Oh, I have already lost the stun gun ammo, so I will not be able to come down anymore. So this is our last chance because I can't go down because weapon key. To take the weapon to weapon key. It would be so hard because I don't want to die at least one time also. This is a patience game. We have to wait. And done. Now our work is done.
Now let's take the helicopter key.
Please, I don't need anything more, please.
Tata, bye bye, Granny. See you again with Grandpa.
I know that Granny can come up, but when we start the helicopter, how will Granny come up? I don't know. Will Granny come up? When we do boat escape, we come behind the boat, and when to door escape, he stand in the door. But what will happen this time? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. What is the wrong? What's wrong, I think? Will this time any problem? What's the problem? I have fixed it. Yes, guys, our escape is done. I first thought that I didn't take the helicopter manual. Let's see how Granny comes. We have escaped under 20 minutes. In just 20 minutes. More so close. In 20 minutes we have escaped. He came up. Where is Grandpa? He will not come. We are playing without Grandpa. Bye bye, Granny. The end. And guys, thanks for watching this video. We have escaped all 3 types by only Granny. We didn't play with Grandpa. We will play with only Grandpa, and then the final one, Granny and Grandpa. Stay tuned for the next videos, and also make sure to subscribe our channel, and make sure to subscribe our gaming channel and our second channel. And till then, goodbye.